The 2025 Audi A6 is a mid-size luxury sedan that seamlessly blends elegance with performance. Its sleek exterior design, characterized by sharp lines and a distinctive grille, exudes a sense of sophistication. The interior is equally impressive, boasting high-quality materials, a spacious cabin, and advanced technology features, including a large touchscreen infotainment system and a customizable digital instrument cluster. The 2025 A6 offers a range of powerful engine options, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder and a turbocharged V6, ensuring a smooth and exhilarating driving experience. The car's well-tuned suspension provides a comfortable ride, while the precise steering and responsive handling make it a joy to drive on both winding roads and highways. In terms of safety, the 2025 A6 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features help to reduce the risk of accidents and enhance overall safety. Overall, the 2025 Audi A6 is a compelling choice for those seeking a luxurious and technologically advanced mid-size sedan. Its stylish design, comfortable interior, powerful performance, and advanced safety features make it a strong contender in its segment.